mission for Inside Nigeria this time, the 7th time where she don't come now to do documentary for Inside Bariga. And this time she actually target the youth because a lot of youth where they out there is no job, they are suffering, and they do some kind things them to take actually get money. So this documentary, they centered around the youth. But still tell us more about this documentary. Why you decide to do documentary for Inside Bariga? Why?
Yeah, well, I actually got funding from the British Council. They've got a UK NG programme. So I applied for funding, and it was to do a project, a film project or whatever. And then I've been working with Badmos for the last like 4 or 5 years doing film. And I also linked up with Jude Anogui, who's a curator. He works for Centre for Contemporary Art in Lagos. And we came up with the idea and also, Segun Adifela from Crown Troop of Africa. And we came up with this idea of doing something about, I've always been interested in doing something about young people and struggles. And so we came up with this idea of doing a documentary about young people. And we decided to focus on Bariga to kind of make it as, it's just kind of a microcosm of other areas in Lagos because it was too big to explore the whole of Lagos. So I said, let's look at one place, but look at different young people's issues that would represent the wider population. So yeah, we got the funding from the British Council, and that's how it happened.
So we'll talk to Badmos. Badmos, what will be your, after this documentary, what you can observe?
After the documentary, you know, get where we see people, they always reason, they think about Nigeria, you understand? Especially people who never come Nigeria before, or people who say they just hear about Nigeria. They always believe, say, Nigeria now where you know if you go, most especially Lagos, you understand? And so with this documentary now, it don't change too many perspectives because the way they go see the thing now, they're quite different from the way they see them before. You get, for instance, if Nigerians in diaspora, we say they be true, we know say they be true Nigeria, probably maybe they born them there, you know, and they don't get Nigerian passport. You understand? They get the country, the Oyinbo passport there. If they do something very good there, they go refer to them as citizens of that country. You understand? But the moment we say one thing just come up, and that day they will go dig the matter, come out. They will say, they will change the name to Nigerian. So you understand? So they don't go reveal all of those things. Aside that, there are a lot of good things. So many good things they do what they will be saying Nigerians they do. But you don't ever hear them. You understand? The moment they do them, where the people over there, the white one, they don't see them, they don't carry them, put for their side. They don't change the mentality, don't change the orientation. It's no longer in Nigeria. You understand? But once the bad one come, what's happen? It's there everywhere.
All right, so I actually need to stop you for there. We will come back and talk more concerning this one because showing them a video of Nigerian youth suffering, now the right way to portray us as good people or people where they actually live in peace and harmony or people where they actually enjoy life. Is this the right way? When we come back after the break, we'll go find out from Badmos and Fiona. All right, welcome back. We still get Fiona and Badmos inside the studio, and the documentary where you watch, if you stay with us, about youth for Inside Bariga, the struggle and where they struggle to actually attain greater heights. But I would ask some questions.
Yes, before we come out, we they ask how this documentary now won't portray Nigeria in a brighter light. Because the one where we watch now, the boy they talk about how he just wake up one day, they talk say, you know what, and I don't tire and I don't feel say poverty on my own. I need to find one place where I go trick myself so that maybe the richness go rub off on top my body. So how this your documentary won't help portray Nigerians in a brighter light?
Okay, you know, in storytelling or whenever you are telling story, okay, everybody for this life get the good side, the bad side, and the ugly, you understand? So all of this story, not be say really based on just the bad of it all, you get? I mean, that guy where you see we just talk now, I feel tell you say the guy don't travel quite a lot of places within and outside Nigeria because he's now an artist, performing artist, you get? So we are even telling the good side of him, not just the bad side of him, but it wouldn't have been, no go they complete if we not talk where they come from, you understand? Where they go and where you don't presently reach.
Kind of like his personal, the whole film, like it's kind of about personal struggles.
Okay.
So every person in the film has a struggle, like everybody does. And that's what we tried to bring out in the film. What has your struggle been and how have you tried to overcome that? So it's more about overcoming difficulties.
So now like grass to grace story.
Yes.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Okay,
And-
so you want to talk something?
Oh, no, go
Okay,
on.
so they talk now, say, for now, meet one particular youth now, we know today, okay, but now say yes, whether if you do this thing or now they help such people.
Well, we hope so. Like, I hope it will inspire young people to actually think, well, you know, maybe I've been through a similar situation or I've been through something that maybe is worse or not as bad, but I can see that there are ways out. And a lot of, actually, one thing that the young people that we worked with have in common is that they all are very creative and artistic. And so it's kind of about how art saved their life in a way,
Yes, how they
and
just
how
see through
important
art.
art is for people that are creative, and it needs to be nurtured. And
Okay, but I did very curious. How easy or how difficult is it for una to actually get these people to tell you their life story? Because some people go tell you, say, you know, it's in all this suffer, why I don't suffer. I don't want to make it there for public eye and
Or you're
everything.
going to need to pay me first before I actually
exactly.
come
Now
for
where
you.
they go?
So you face challenges
yeah,
like
definitely a lot, especially when they see me.
A
I
white
think
person.
money. So we had to be very careful. I put out an open call. Badmos helped me search for people. Shagun and Adafila from Crown
Adafila.
Troop and Jude and Ogri, they really helped with choosing the right people. But we got lots of young people applying. I sent out an open call looking for young people, and loads of people sent in their applications, and I went through them before I came to Nigeria. So there was a long process of going through, and I kind of was thinking, like, some young people wrote like 2 lines in their life story, and I was like, well,
That's
you're not going to be good on the film. So the people who kind of really opened up and said a lot about themselves, I was like, oh, these seem to be really open to it. And we were just really lucky that we met these 3 young people that
right
seemed to be
people.
really honest and
very
open. Really open.
Okay.
And that's what we wanted, yeah.
All right, I also hear say something that happened Freedom Park today. What's
Yes.
really going on?
This is the premiere screening today
Okay.
at 7 p.m. in Freedom Park. So please, anybody who's
Everyone
around,
is
come
invited.
down. And just the film's like 30 minutes. And we'd just like to invite anyone that'd like to see it.
Do I need to pay money?
It's free. Sorry, there is a little admission fee, 200 or something.
And that
For
one
Freedom Park.
normal within Freedom Park. Freedom Park
Okay.
get their
Yeah,
own.
they have
Okay.
Say
Yeah.
anytime they come Freedom Park,
Okay.
you must pay 200. Whether you walk on drink, you
Yeah.
walk on watch, you
Yeah.
walk on watch film also. But
Yeah.
this screening now open.
It's free,
They're
yeah.
free. And I mean all that is golden glitters.
Okay.
what
Okay,
it's called.
Fiona and
Yeah.
Badmos, make a sharply ask on this one because now as I see that the reason say of all the countries where they this world, why you decide to pick Nigeria for your documentary?
That is funny. Well, it goes back a long way to like, 2000. Well, actually, when I was about 12, I put my finger on a map and I said, I want to go to this country, and it was Nigeria. So I've always had a fascination with Nigeria ever since.
Okay, so on that note, what would be your favorite Nigerian dish?
Good.
Oh, it has to be jollof rice.
Jollof rice. No, you can get jollof rice
My
anywhere
sister,
now.
Nigerian
You know, say,
jollof,
like, our own way they different. Yeah.
Nigerian jollof. Nigerian
Nigerian jollof rice is
jollof.
different.
What about soup? Tell us the soup what you like.
I couldn't face that. What was the one that strings?
Oh,
Wait, draw soup.
Okra, you love okra.
I like okra. Yeah.
Ogbolo.
I do like okra.
So you like ogbolo too?
But I don't like
She
the
don't
one
know the
that's
name.
too.
slimy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, maybe ogbolo.
Let's not Ogbolo should they talk
Yeah.
about.
But you like
She like
egusi.
okra.
Why you never introduce her to egusi or asu?
We get soup, we get a dikaikon, we
She
get
tried.
afang.
You know, say-
Goosey. I've tried the goosey. I've tried it. It was
Yeah.
too strong. The taste like.
Yeah, you know,
And
say
I'm
the-
not really
our
good
way
with
of cooking
pepper.
sometimes.
Peppers.
Feel the pepperish,
Okay.
you know.
Yeah. And I don't
Then-
eat fish, so.
And she,
You like beans?
And
Yes.
beans, yeah.
Our Nigerian beans with the oil and everything.
Ewa going.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
they I like them.
Beans,
yes.
rice.
I did like them.
She don't eat, I mean, she don't eat yam, she don't eat egg.
She don't eat yam, she don't eat
Yeah,
everything.
yam.
I eat
Yam.
yam. I eat yam.
She like it.
I like it.
Nice.
She's just so excited.
So excited. Tell us your best place for Lagos, because I know say everybody will come Lagos, they get there, the place where they don't
Favorite
want to go,
place.
and they get the one where they want to go. Which place you actually like for inside Lagos?
Well, I'm saying Yaba, actually. I really like Yaba.
You like
I
Yaba?
really like Bariga.
Very good.
Bariga, because I've spent more time there now.
Why? Why Yaba?
Just
Why
because the
Bariga?
people, I just think it's really, I prefer the mainland because it's more real and you see, I don't see too many white people, which is nice. I prefer.
Ah, yeah.
You know, it's very, very funny because a lot of, okay, make a point on that. Is a lot of Nigerians, because say they used to the everyday life. When we travel, we want to see the prim and tush, the la cream places. Now, these Oyibo people, when they come, because they don't see the prim life, they want to see the grassroots, they want to see everything where they happen and all
Yes.
that.
Very
The
true.
real Nigeria, I don't want to see Victoria Island and I'm not really,
So you don't like Victoria Island?
I haven't No, it hasn't.
Never really stay where we're from Victoria Island.
No.
All right, while we still get Fiona and Badmos inside the studio, we're going to need to take our video for today. Now, our video for today will actually inform you, especially people who want to marry, say you need to take note of the person where you want to marry before you do I do for inside church.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.